What's up, folks? It's your boy Coach Ty back at you with another one. And in today's video, we are unboxing the brand new Nuo Bells. Let's get straight into it. Here we go. I just realized I didn't bring a knife. So barehanded is how we have to do this. This is gonna be painful for some of you to watch, but just bear with me. Let's move this to the ground. Oh God. It's coming out the bottom of the box. That worked out. Okay, what do we have here? NuoBell S5100. Believe this is a little stand piece, and these are some of the weights. Oh God. Oh, that's heavy. This is one of the weight plates that will go on the dumbbells. We'll get here in a minute to the mechanism and kind of how everything works. But I want to finish getting everything out of the... I'm out of breath doing this. I need to do some more cardio, man. All right, that's the big long box with this in it and our weight plates. Now we're gonna open up the smaller box. Nice shiny user manual. Yeah. Some big ass foam to protect your investment. And now we have the actual dumbbell and the mechanism. All right, that's a better angle. So again, this is the dumbbell itself. Nice. Nuo branding right there, if you can see that. And here is the handle for the dumbbell. Obviously, you'll hold like that. You've got weight increments here. And after you get this set up, you essentially just spin this handle to the right for lighter weight and to the left for heavier weight. And there's a mechanism inside there that pops out and kind of drills into the next weight plate. And with that, you get heavier or lighter weight. That's what I'm most excited for with this thing, is changing weight back and forth is pretty easy. Now I'm going to try putting all this together. Bear with me. So, bit of advice on assembly. So you're gonna take this piece that says Nuo on the end, and they go, well, on the end. Then you've got the regular weight plates. Flat part goes down. They'll slot into each other like so. Then we've got, where'd they go? These two plates, thin one and a thicker one, that are gonna go on the insides like so. And then this part, the dumbbell itself, slide in like that. That should save you some time. I've been sitting here for a few minutes because I'm not good at reading instructions, apparently. Now, big thanks to NuoBell for sending this over, and also for hooking us up with a 10% off code for all of our viewers, MuscleWiki users. That link is down in the description below if you want 10% off of these, or nuobell.com/MuscleWiki. Now again, I wanted to keep this short to an unboxing and assembly video. I am gonna do a full-on review and I'm gonna be doing a full workout with these, so make sure you keep an eye out for that as well. I'm Coach Ty with Muscle Wiki and I will see you soon. Deuces.